Hello people, this is rental home friendly DIY temple idea. So basically what we have done is we have taken this plywood and got it customized as per requirement with the help of a carpenter with one shelf. So to increase the space over here, what I've done is I've used this undershelf basket which is very easily available online, so I can efficiently organize this space as I like to keep all my temple related stuff at one place. Also what you can see is on this plywood box I have used this wallpaper which I already had. So this makes this temple looks beautiful, elegant and very contemporary. It's a very budget friendly idea for your rental home decor. Also you can find many different designs of wallpapers which are very easily available online. Also I would like to give you some organizational tips, especially for working people and busy people, to keep ghee in this ghee container. It comes very handy. And also to keep a dustbin for collecting all your residue of wick and mastic, so it doesn't clutter your space and keeps your space clean. Also keep a towel handy so you can always clean your hands quickly and fasten your process and do your puja quickly. I hope you would like the tips and ideas which I've shared with you, and also use it and let me know. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video.